Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, today we will learn dua when looking into the mirror. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma anta hassanta khalqi fahassin khuluqi. Allahumma anta hassanta khalqi fahassin khuluqi. O Allah, you have beautified my body, so do beautify my character. Allahumma anta hassanta khalqi fahassin khuluqi. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.